At the Pittsburgh Water and Sewer Authority, we're committed to providing you with clean, safe water. To help improve your water quality, we are working to replace public water service lines made of lead throughout the city. On properties where we replace public water service lines, we will also be replacing private service lines that are made of lead. If you have been selected for a lead water service line replacement, you'll be asked to sign an agreement and consult with a PWSA representative and contractor before any construction begins for a brief inspection of your basement and to discuss any possible impacts that the construction might have to your property. To replace your private lead water service line, we'll need you to be present for about 4 hours while the work proceeds. We'll start by digging up the area around your curb box, a vertical pipe with an opening in either your yard or your sidewalk. This will provide us with access to your private water line. Once we have dug out the area around your curb box, we'll begin replacing the private portion of the water service line. There are 2 potential ways that this could happen. Our preferred method is a trenchless replacement. If we're able to, we will remove the lead water service line and replace it with a new copper water line. This method involves little to no interruption to your property. 9 out of 10 service lines are able to be replaced this way. The second method involves digging an open trench through your property so we can remove the lead water line. The trench will be narrow and it will follow the water line as it crosses your property. Unfortunately, this method may require us to remove any trees, plants, landscaping, or sidewalks in the path of the water service line. Following the completion of the work, our contractors will backfill any holes and trenches that we have made, using the existing soil from our excavation. It will be your responsibility to restore and replace any grass, plants, landscaping, or private walkways located on your property. PWSA will be responsible for restoring the sidewalk and roadway in the public space. Connecting your new water service line to your household's water pipes may require some improvements to your basement plumbing. Our licensed plumbing contractor will need access to your home during construction to make these improvements and bring the plumbing into compliance with county code. This contractor will make necessary improvements to ensure your water is running properly before leaving your home. For your safety, you must flush your household plumbing following any construction. Instructions will be provided to help you. Following the completion of our work, collect a water sample using the test kit provided. The sample results will be shared with you so you can be informed about the level of lead in your water. Lead levels in your water may be elevated for up to 6 months following construction. In the meantime, we'll provide you with a water pitcher filter and filter cartridges for drinking and cooking purposes. The final step in this process is allowing an inspector from the Allegheny County Health Department to examine the connection and approve any modifications made inside of your basement so we can certify the plumbing work satisfied code requirements. This inspection should last around 30 minutes and may occur a week or 2 after the replacement. For more information about water safety using NSF-approved water filters and to answer any other questions you have about lead in water, please visit our website or contact the Lead Help Desk. If you have any questions about the process or your water quality, contact the Lead Help Desk.